Hi guys. Okay, so we're going to start using Python, and this is our first Python tutorial. So the first question is, how do you start Python? So I'm going to go here to the upper right, which you can't see, the little magnifying glass. And on the magnifying glass, this is Yosemite, so you're using a different operating system. But still, I'm going to type in idle, which is the name of the program you want. I'm going to double click on idle, and up pops this screen here. And the first thing to know about idle is there are two windows that are typically open. The first window in idle is called the shell, and that's not where you write programs, but idle will actually do things in this shell. This is where programs will run. So for example, I could say print hello, and it will go ahead and print hello right there. But typically we're going to create programs in idle. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the file menu, and you're going to say new file. And up pops a new file, and this is where we're going to program our first Python program. So the goal of my first Python program is to teach you a little bit about variables and stuff like that. So, okay, first step, commenting. Commenting is when you put a number sign in front of something. You can type whatever you want after the number sign, and the computer will ignore it. So you often comment your programs so that people can understand what your program is all about. This is my first program, okay? The computer will ignore that. Then I'm going to double space, and my first program is going to be very simple. It's going to say print, and print is a command. Whenever you have something in commands, you put a parentheses around it. And you can see here that once you put the parentheses around it, it gives you kind of these instructions. And what it's saying is, I will print whatever values you put in separated by commas. And we'll talk about what this stuff means later, but basically that's what it does. So I'm going to say print hello world. I am a computer programmer. Okay? It's going to end with a comma. And this is my first program. Hello world, I am a computer programmer. Now that I'm done with my program, I'm going to save it. Save, and I'm going to call this hello world. Note that it has to end in py, absolutely must end in py. So if yours doesn't say .py, you need to put .py there. And I'm going to save it onto the desktop. Hello world.py, save. Now that I've saved it, I can run the program. And so I'm going to say run module, and it's going to run in the other window. See how it did this? Hello world, I am a computer programmer. If I say run again, it will do it again. Hello world, I am a computer programmer. So that is my very first Python program.
No, it isn't.
Well, okay, it's my first Python program for this class. So now what I've done is I've saved my program, and I'm going to show you how you have to upload your programs into Google Drive in order to actually save them. Because every night when you get off this computer in the in room 25, it will erase all the files on the desktop. So we're going to go here, we're going to go to Drive, and this is my Kent Students account. As you can see, I am signed in here, and I am going to upload something. Upload into my Drive account. I'm going to upload a file. I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to upload hello world.py, and I'm going to double click on this one, and it uploads right here, 100% done, and there it is, hello world.py. So I have now saved my work. That is the only way for you to save your work. If you don't do that, your work will completely disappear. So that is lesson 1 with Python, opening an idle and saving your work. Please create a program called Hello World.